Kaseng jungkinam tre Asha hapok kejala Mekhlia lanika Mekhlia Asha Workers Union. Kala peramjur ya kejingdak donbor jungki arteli kishnong hakaba wengkam jubor ya ki arngot kinam tre Asha. Kita kilong ikong Philadelphia somat ibelong Asha jongka mokhomba na kashnong omsoping kabaham apok Commotion Civil Subdivision West Kasil District. Badwipan idi ikong imsida thangkiu ibelong Asha jongka kashnong nongsir kabaham apok Jirang State Dispensary Rivoy District. Ikong Sony Kharjana ibelong advisor jongka Mekhlia Workers Union ila keno baki snong kila shuweng jubor ya kini ki arngot kinom trei Asha klam kanu ka daw ka babiang bara ka juga poru kini ka seng jo kinom trei Asha kala li ai ka jingtho Asha umenti ka khya jo ka jala uba elhek bandawa badi ban thungkam beng yaki klam kanu ka jing te kandon.
So actually we came here just because so many things that happens on the village, so many villages that happen that all this headman, yani ki is this secretary of that village only, they try to terminate the Asha without any things, like any mistakes. If we go and find out what happened to the particular area, we found that the Asha is very active. The Ashas is very active, and the Asha doesn't have any wrong things in their activities, in their daily activities. And we just found in this West Kasihel district, it was happened on the last month only. It was happened that the Asha, she was terminated by the committee of the village itself, just because that they want to appoint the other Asha, and just because of that NRGS scheme money. Because in that village it happens that they never use people, they never use the master to work out all that schemes, but they use only the JCB, what they can use it, finish it very early, and they will just transfer the money to these villages. So after they receive the money, then this headman only, he's supposed to take that money, but they never give to the villagers that they are supposed to work by themselves, so that the profit for them. So that is the thing. Just because of that money, so they transfer to the Asha's account. After this Asha received that money, she realized that she expect that it her own money after she worked from the activities regarding this, with the health department. But then after she received the money, what she's doing, after she received the money, then she used it. But then after the conversation comes from the reports come from the village headman, they said that she used our money. In fact, that Asha is particular, she took the money and then she tried to return back the money, but then from the village itself, they don't accept it. So it just because of that only, they tried to terminate this Asha, just because, and that also they already mean to appoint the wife secretary of that VEC, so that they will exchange in her place.
Akabedei bagayang syawin kam Asha je ikong Philadelphia somat nagasnong mo khumkha kipai ba nong sosnong jika than ke le thu ba kimdan jik tebi ei par wat kirang ba aru kimyo jik tebi ei nei le sulet dan borhi dakika to kanungot kirang ba jong kasnong
kane de hajong tip nga de ka eri na po snong mar karai snong ba weng na ya chang pat enring pat labre
tak kami lang bare na po do bersno te ki le kum no ba makiki weng ta kia
ba ki weng kane ka cha i kan en jong karai snong mar i snong i tibre ha dorbar ba ka pat enrei te kane ke jong weng di jum ta susnyo bnas yung ong di jur la weng
kemut ki le hari
ile hari de i snong i karai dong ba weng ina cha
ta kemut ba kisia kidon kibia mulai klik kum tu
en di itu ki man mai san i di khot man le weng sumen i ju tu i karai pa ma yong ai pen scam ai cha ri ai cha thmai i karai de ta thmai karim ga en yo thmai no
kemut mata nakle yoki kila jet gan kawai kila jet mai
ki ju le jit kita i khot ju i ju ne ri i pa ba i tibre de
kan dan tebra
tibre i kan be te rim
jila bi yong phi ba thai mo ki ek mat ba ki ek pon ki ba weng ya kana ka Asha nak ek daw
yung weng Asha nga tibre nga kagadi ka daw yung mar nong gila yarai bun di saudar yakut la yung utnong la itu gani ka Asha Bro gila mud dan weng mar. Era po chnong.
Ha. Ta gamut ba kila weng ki kawai bat ki kila ma weng na po kana kasno.
Gila gigi gila kentai chnong la.
Kila da kontak sno.
Gila dia kentai.
Kana kai gadaw ki mo kontak sno ki. Ya kana ka asya. Sri dar jitik ko mo.
Acha nukoran mar gale se la pre absan RGS. Da kata gadaw tar kata
Kamu
gadaw.
gadaw kong san liter ka kan NGRS. Kapoy hado bon panweng ka asya. Kali kata.
Kata li gadaw.
Kagamut kamyay lang ba na po kada barsno bon jiri asya.
Bare po do ba chnong.
Ta nang liang mi tang ko man kali hapi kom ki mo ki nek long kumi jong kana ka sama kum kha. Ta philap na am kar kom tri kam jong kana ka Aisha ka bala. Mo tri ha kini ka snam ka bladap. Ka kar kom tri kam jong ki long kum no. Hato ka yaj baik ne kam yaj baik ne ke ek jinduna ba kar kom tri kam jong kana ka. Jong kana Aisha. Ba hado banda weng ka.
Ayong labir tre di tantan tadi bayi biang di tantan ya tre.
Kamut ka jing yung tri ka biang baik.
Biang ya tre.
Ki yung wan pej ong itu baru ki jino kam deh ki penbiang.
Pendiang.
Ta kam don jino ki jino. Phi kum ka Aisha ka wa phi dai ka nong trei jong ka na ka sama mu kha. Ka chwa ban weng yi phi. Hato na ka leng jino stong ki la don em kono ka ba ka jing konsol la ka jing mo kanjo la ka jing ya wan ya mo kren ka wa phi.
Em don di pinjau bat pentip.
Kam don runo ka jing pentip. Kamut suweng mardor. Ta habam suweng mardor kumtam nakaliang yoki mono sang kinong jinghon. Kam don. Tapi kar kom tre kam yung pin do menswa ka pi ya ka kam pi tre bah.
Kan bala nga tre.
Bala weng pi kelawan kino ki motar nation letar na perwan.
Perwan hadum ta.
Te kum no pin motip bala weng pi.
Ngatib na possible.
Na possible. Ki ong kum no possible.
Abala ni dia pila tar minit lathun thmai da ko we.
Ko ong kum ta. Komod ba ki bala don ki bawan
Application.
ki ba mo complain nang ne.
Allah don.
Ki la don.
Right.
Komod nakaliang jo ka office ro kala weng. Klam
Tempat weng ka office.
klam parweng klam pat ka motar nation. Dan nakaliang jo ka office klam wan kano no ka jing kali hapo ka na kasno. Klam wan.